Hey there, it's Jerome again. So a lot of you out there are trying to eat low carb, but you sometimes run out of ideas or you're not sure exactly what types of food to eat. So today's video is all about showing you exactly what a low carb breakfast looks like, or rather what I ate for breakfast today. Now you will see me adding things like cream cheese, fresh cream and cheddar cheese, but don't get scared, because if you are eating low carb, then it's important to add in some extra fat as well to keep you sustained and feeling fuller for longer. I will be posting videos on a regular basis of what I ate and recipes that I use that help me to lose weight. So subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out, and as always, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. For the base of this wrap, you will need 2 whole eggs, some cream cheese, fresh cream and some cheddar cheese, which you can add in the base or you can use as toppings, as you will see me do. I start by adding in the cream cheese to a bowl and softening it in the microwave for about 6 to 8 seconds and just cream that up. Next, I will add in some fresh cream followed by the eggs. Now you can totally skip either the fresh cream or the cream cheese if you prefer to keep this recipe low fat, and just mix all of that together. I use this whisking gadget just to get a smooth mixture. An egg beater will work just fine. And now on medium heat, I add in a teaspoon of coconut oil to the pan. You can use olive oil or any other healthy oil of your choice. And in goes my egg mixture. I try to keep this evenly distributed throughout the pan. And just keep that in there for about 3 to 4 minutes until your egg is fried. And once that's done, I will try tossing this onto a plate, struggling to keep it together, but it's okay as long as it's in one piece. And there you go. Now for the fun part, you can add toppings of your choice. I start by adding in some hot sriracha sauce. You can use any sauce of your choice, followed by some bacon that I've pre-fried. Then I'm gonna add in some slices of avocados, my favorite toppings for any wrap, and just season that with some salt and pepper for some flavor, because nobody likes a bland avocado. And lastly, I will just spread over some grated cheddar cheese. You can use any other cheese that you prefer. Now, as they say, use your best rolling skills to wrap all of this up. Once this is nicely rolled up, you can just go ahead and cut this up as you would do a regular wrap. And there you go, you have now this delicious breakfast wrap that you can have immediately, or you can place in a lunchbox and have as a breakfast on the go, or you can even carry this for lunch. And because I'm allergic to egg yolks, I've made the same recipe with some egg whites only, which I'm enjoying for breakfast with some fried zucchini on the side. Now you can totally use mushrooms on the side, but because I'm allergic to mushroom as well, I will stick to the zucchini. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next time.